Hello everyone, this is Vincent Toribongolan, and in this video, I will be going to discuss how to calculate or how to get the corresponding z-score for a specific confidence level. Alright, so I will be discussing this first in English and followed by Filipino so that everyone can fully understand how to calculate this. Alright. So we all know that the confidence level has a corresponding z-score value. Alright, so let's say for example, 80% confidence level corresponds to a z-score of 1.282. A 90% confidence level corresponds to a z-score of 1.654, and so on and so forth. What if I'll going to ask you what is the z-score for a confidence level of 96 or 92? So of course, you will be going to calculate this. Alright, so I will going to discuss how to calculate the z-score. Alright, so we have said that the 95% confidence level is equivalent to 1.960. Our goal is to show you how we arrived at the z-score of 1.960. Alright, so to do this, we need to calculate the area under the normal curve to the left. To calculate, we will be using this formula. Alright, so 1 plus the confidence level divided by 2. Second is the substitution. So substitute 95% to the confidence level. So divide 95% by 100. We will be getting 0.95. Alright, so next is 1.95 divided by 2. So the area under the normal curve is 0.975. Okay, so this is the first option on how to calculate the z-score. So later on, I will show you how to get 1.960. But for now, let's end that way. Alright. So this is the bell curve or the standard normal distribution chart. Okay. So this is the visualization, or to illustrate, no? To illustrate, I will be showing you the standard normal curve or the bell-shaped graph. Okay, so the center part of this is denoted as the average or mu. The right side of the bell curve is the positive z-score, and the left side corresponds to a negative z-score. Now, the area between the negative z-score and positive z-score, this one, is based on the confidence level. Okay, so this area, the green part, from the negative z-score to the positive z-score, is based on the confidence level, which is 0.95. So the area between this is 0.95. The remaining area beyond Z beyond negative z-score and positive z-score corresponds to the remaining 5%. We need to divide the 5% for each side. So, we will be getting 0.025 for the positive z-score and 0.025 for the negative z-score. Alright, so the goal is to find the area from the left. Okay, so to do this, we will be adding 0.025 plus 0.95. The result is 0.975. Alright, so to do or to get the corresponding z-score of the area 0.975, you need to download or refer to a z distribution table. This is how it looks like. From this z distribution table, all you need to do is to look for the area, which is 0.975. And this is the area. So, what intersection were this area found or located? This is from 1.9 to 0.06. So, we have the area now is 1.96. Okay, so this is how we calculate the z-score. So, the importance of z-score is, you know how important z-score is. We will be needing this value to calculate a sample size. Alright, so thank you and have a great day. So don't forget to place your question on the comment section so that I will be, I'll try to do my best to answer all your questions. Alright, so for the Tagalog version, ayan. Okay, so for the Tagalog version, alam natin na ang confidence level ay mayroong katumbas na z-score. So halimbawa, ang 80% na confidence level ay katumbas ng 1.282 na z-score. Ganon din ang 90%, 95%, 98% hanggang 99%. Mayroon niyang katumbas na z-score. At sabi nga natin, ang 95% na confidence level ay katumbas ng 1.960 daw. So, paano natin makukuha ang z-score na 1.96? So, gagamit tayo ng formula. So, hahanapin natin yung area under the normal curve. So, gagamitin natin tong formula na to para makuha daw natin yung area under the normal curve. So, ito yun. Yung CL is the confidence level. So, ita-transfer lang natin o isa-substitute lang natin yung 95% para ma-compute natin yung area. So, the area is 0.975. Okay, so, dyan muna tayo. Mamaya ko i-discuss paano nakuha yung 1.960. Okay, so yung second option para ma-compute yung area ay through the use of the bell curve. O ito yung standard normal distribution. So, una, yung gitna ay denoted as mu or the average. So, yung nasa right side, sa kanang bahagi, ay ito yung negative z-score. Ay positive z-score. Yung nasa kaliwa, yun yung negative z-score. Yung area daw na nasa gitna ng negative z-score at positive z-score ang nire-represent nito yung confidence level. So, ito ay equivalent sa 0.95. So, may natitirang 5%. So, saan mapupunta yung 5%? So, mapapansin ninyo, sa negative z-score, meron pang area. Sa positive z-score ay mayroon pa ring area. So, natitira yung 5%, hahatiin natin siya into 2. So, mangyayari ngayon, yung 0.025 ay nasa positive at yung natitirang 0.025 ay mapupunta ngayon sa negative value. Kaya, 100% na siya. Kung gusto nating makuha yung area o kukunin daw natin yung area mula sa negative papunta doon sa positive, ay i-add natin yung value. Yun. Yun o, di ba? I-add natin yung value ng positive, negative hanggang papunta sa positive, which is 0.025 plus 0.95. So, makukuha natin yung 0.975. So, nakuha na natin yung 0.975 na area using two technique. So, paano natin ngayon mako-compute o makikita yung 1.975 o yung 1.96? So, pupunta tayo ngayon sa z-distribution table. So, ito yon yung z-distribution table. Hanapin natin yung 0.975. So, nasa dulo siya. Actually, itong z-table, guys, so napakalaki nitong table. So, kinuha ko lang yung malapit kasi isang buo siyang table. So, kinuha ko lang yung ibang value kasi meron pang 3, 3.0, mga so on so forth. So, yung konti lang. So, ito yung 0.975. So, saan matatagpuan? Yung 0.975, ito yung area sa pagitan ng 1.9 at 0.6. Ayan. So, kung i-add natin to 1.9 plus 0.6, 1.96. So, kaya nakuha yung z-score na 1.96. So, bakit kailangan nating malaman yung z-score? Paano tayo magko-compute ng sample size kung hindi natin alam yung z-score? Diba? So, yun po yung important na kailangan nating malaman. Ayan. Kasi minsan may mga question na tatanungin tayo. Can you calculate the sample size given that the confidence level is 95%? O, diba? Paano kung walang z-score? So, you need to calculate the z-score. Sa susunod is paano naman natin mako-compute yung margin of error. Ayan no, E squared. So, margin of error. Paano natin makukuha yung proportion? So, sa susunod na video ay i-discuss ko naman yung margin of error at yung proportion. Alright? So, wag po ninyong kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aking channel and at the same time, kung meron po kayong tanong ay ilagay lamang po ninyo sa comment section. If you have some questions, put it in the comment section so that I will try my best to answer all your questions. Thank you and have a good night.